Welcome to eVentGuru. We're excited to show you just how simple and user-friendly it is to create your guest list. Let's dive right in. The first way to create a guest list is by going to the event you have already created. Within the event page, you'll find a Create Guest List button. Just click on it, and you'll be able to create a specific guest list for that particular event or sub-event. The second option is to navigate to eVentGuru's e-invitation section. Click on your profile icon at the top and go to the dashboard. On the left menu bar, you'll find the option for Guest List. Click on it, and from here, you can create different guest lists for various occasions. Click on the Create button at the top, and you'll be prompted to add a guest list name and set the status of the guest list as active or inactive. Once you've created the guest list, you can start adding guests one by one. Alternatively, you have the option to manually upload guests from a CSV file using the Upload button at the top of the guest list section. It's all about convenience. Click on the Add Guest button. A new page will open where you can enter the guest's details, such as their name, email, mobile number, status, and whether they are allowed to bring adults and children. You can specify the number of additional guests for exclusive guest counts, which work alongside the general guest count setup when adding event details. After entering all the details, simply click on the Create Guest button, and your guest will be added to the desired guest list. It's that easy. You'll also find a range of options available for each guest list, such as the ability to send emails, download the guest list, and even print it out if needed. See how simple it is to create a guest list and add guests in eVentGuru. We pride ourselves on making the process seamless and enjoyable. Thank you for choosing eVentGuru. Remember to explore our other features and make the most of your event planning journey. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips and updates. Until next time.